On fam, Monty tuning in with another video. I hope everyone is doing well. We're starting off the day with good vibes. Now, first and foremost, I want you guys to know, if you're watching my videos and you're getting rich on TikTok and you're becoming successful, because that's what's going to happen, there's going to be a lot of people out to attack you, just like over anything. Like, you're going to get, I realize I have some face wash or whatever, I didn't wash off my face, whatever. If you are successful, man, like if you're successful, people are going to attack you a lot just because they're insecure and you seem like a stable person. So they're going to like just be so quick to hit you with the biggest insults, and that's just a part of success. People might have all this money, but it's not about money. It's about just the frequency that you're vibrating on. And a lot of people are really disturbed. But with that being said, yes, I did make $23,000 on TikTok Shop. All right. I generated that much in sales and I'm having a blast doing it. I sit at home. I wake up in the morning and I'm like, how much money did I make? I look at my TikTok and I'm like, okay, fair amount. So, it's hard to pick an exact topic to talk about. So I just have people join my Discord and you can ask me questions and we can, exchange value that way. But yeah, I sit at home, make money on TikTok, guys. I don't need to go outside. I don't need a car. I have literally 15 companies, 20 companies plus a day that reach out to me to market their product. And you just have to be a leader. It's about taking the initiative, because this stuff is not going to happen if you don't do it. People are all like, oh, I want to do it, so do it, man. You only get one life. It's only going to be Thursday, April 11th once. So yeah, fam, with that being said, we're just chopping it up and vibing. And yeah, big on the energy thing, because it's a spiritual war out there and people have never been more insecure. Like, everyone is going down their path. And like I said, when you are a light and you're very happy and you appear happy, you're literally gonna have people that just instantly hate you, bro. Like, people that don't know you but swear that they know you. And this is biblical. I just wish that personally more people were happy and just not so bothered by everything, because there's so much life, and if you let one person control you so much, like, it's sad that you're giving one person so much power. Yeah, fam. Don't let your emotions control you. That's the first sign of weakness. All right. I'm a young sage. I'm a grandmaster. I got dreadlocks, so I'm smart. Period. Actually, no, that does not translate well. So I take that back. I just know my stuff. And I'm just chilling. I'm giving you guys some time today. You know what I'm saying? Like, this whole TikTok making money through WAP stuff, like, it's cool, but I don't do TikTok, I don't make YouTube videos for like the clout or for the money because I'm getting money through other ways, So we're chilling, like, and I'm gonna speak with you guys about those other ways as well. I just like to be transparent with people who support me. You support me, I'm supporting you. That's how I roll. Yeah, so this video caught me off guard, because I was just chilling in the middle of my day, like, trying to evolve myself and evolve other people as well. And I just got hit with some negativity, bro. And it's life. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's going to be more, but it's really, like, for these people who are not used to it, there's going to be people out there that genuinely, like, just put bad spirits on you so fast. And it's not really up to you. There's nothing you could do about it. Just keep being yourself. And karma will take care of them. Everything that comes up comes down. Okay? Everything you push out comes back to you. So with that being said, stay up, take care, and let's keep on getting this TikTok money, fam. You know, if you're clicking on this video, you're a high frequency person. You're ahead of the crowd and you're going to be successful. Because I'm a smart guy, you know, and if you're vibing with me, you're a genius as well. Relatively to the masses. And with that being said, I'm going to go back on my day. It was good chopping up with y'all. And stay up. Peace. Monty. All right.